10 dangerous towns in England. England is a country of rolling hills, quaint villages, and bustling cities. But even here, not every postcode is equally peaceful. Some places are famous for their beauty, others for their history, and a few for their high crime rates and tougher reputations. In this ranking of 10 dangerous towns in England, we dive into communities that make the headlines for the wrong reasons. These aren't ghost towns or lawless zones, but they are areas where crime rates, antisocial behaviour, and safety concerns are noticeably higher than the national average. We'll explore each one with a mix of facts, context, and a nod to their redeeming qualities. Because every place has more to it than just the bad news. 10. Rotherham, South Yorkshire. Rotherham is a market town that wears its industrial heritage with pride. In the 19th and early 20th centuries, it thrived on steelworks, coal mining, and glassmaking. But in modern times, it's sadly become better known for the high-profile exploitation scandal that shocked the nation. This single devastating chapter has left an enduring mark on the town's image. Today's crime figures for Rotherham show rates around or just below the South Yorkshire average, which means it's not statistically the most dangerous. Yet public perception still associates it with trouble. The town centre sees its fair share of theft, antisocial incidents, and the occasional violent crime. Some residential areas remain friendly and quiet. Others have a more challenging day-to-day environment. Current police.uk figures show Rotherham's all-crime rate sits below the South Yorkshire average for the year ending September 2024. The town centre still sees theft and antisocial behaviour, but trends vary by neighbourhood. 9. Grimsby, Northeast Lincolnshire. Grimsby's story is one of boom, bust, and resilience. Once the largest fishing port in the world, it was a powerhouse of the North Sea economy. But the decline of the fishing industry hit hard, leading to job losses, economic hardship, and social challenges that persist today. According to ONS Community Safety Partnership data, Northeast Lincolnshire, which includes Grimsby, ranks high for all crime rates compared to similar-sized areas. Antisocial behavior, public order offenses, and property crime are common police call-outs. ONS Community Safety Partnership (CSP) tables place Northeast Lincolnshire, which includes Grimsby, above the national average for overall recorded crime in recent periods. Still, the town isn't without hope. The docks are being repurposed for renewable energy projects, cultural events are springing up, and the seafront has its moments of charm. Residents are fiercely proud of their maritime heritage, even as they face the realities of modern crime statistics. 8. Trowbridge, Wiltshire. At first glance, Trowbridge could be straight out of a painting. Historic cloth mills, a handsome church, and leafy surroundings. But statistics and local reports reveal that this market town has had its share of modern troubles. Wiltshire is one of England's lowest-rate police force areas overall, but Trowbridge stands out locally. Recent strategic assessments show higher levels of violence against the person (VAP) and the highest knife crime levels in the county area over the last 2 years, concentrated in central beats. Despite the challenges, Trowbridge has a strong community spirit. Its parks host festivals, the local art scene is lively, and family-friendly events bring people together. It's the kind of place where you can enjoy a quiet afternoon by the river, as long as you know which areas to avoid after dark. 7. Bognor Regis, West Sussex. Recent open datasets indicate Bognor Regis and Littlehampton around approximately 99 per 1,000, and Arran District overall around approximately 82 per 1,000. Bognor's town centre pockets show more antisocial behaviour than surrounding coastal communities. Common issues include antisocial behaviour, petty theft, and alcohol-related disturbances, especially during summer when visitor numbers swell. Some areas remain perfectly safe and pleasant, particularly along the tourist-friendly promenade, while other pockets experience more disruption. The local council is investing in town center improvements, better lighting, and more community policing. Bognor's resilience shows in its local festivals and the way residents rally around good causes. A reminder that a high crime rate doesn't erase the heart of a community. 6. Whitley Bay, Tyne and Wear. Whitley Bay is known for its sweeping golden sands, classic promenade, and the striking Spanish City Dome. Tourists and day trippers adore it, but even beautiful places can have a rougher edge once the sun goes down. Police and community reports highlight certain hotspots for antisocial behavior, alcohol-related offenses, and the occasional violent flare-up. These issues are often linked to the town's nightlife and seasonal tourism, creating a very different vibe after dark. At the same time, Whitley Bay is experiencing a cultural revival. Independent cafes, art events, and coastal walks keep it firmly on the Northeast's list of must-visit spots. It's a town of two sides, sunny seaside days and a grittier, more unpredictable night scene. 5. Lincoln, Lincolnshire. Technically a city, Lincoln still has the feel of a large market town, and it earns its place here due to its relatively high crime rate compared to other East Midlands areas of similar size. The latest ONS data shows around approximately 158 crimes per 1,000 residents, driven by theft, antisocial behavior, and alcohol-related offenses being common in the bustling city center. University life brings vibrancy, but also contributes to late-night noise and occasional disorder. Popular areas like Steep Hill and the Cathedral Quarter attract tourists, but the surrounding streets see more day-to-day crime. Lincoln's draw is undeniable: a medieval cathedral, a Norman castle, and a lively cultural scene. It's proof that even picture-perfect settings can have complex safety challenges. 4. Stockton-on-Tees, County Durham/North Yorkshire border. Stockton-on-Tees is a proud northern town with one of the widest high streets in Britain. Historically a hub for engineering and manufacturing, it has faced economic shifts that have shaped its modern identity and its crime profile. The borough's own monitoring shows 106.6 offenses per 1,000 for December 2023 to December 2024, down from 119.9 the prior year. Still above many comparators, the national average for overall crime rates, with theft, antisocial behavior, and violent incidents making up a large share. The contrast is sharp between areas benefiting from regeneration and those where deprivation fuels criminal activity. The regenerated Riverside, with its events and leisure spaces, is a point of pride. Stockton is a town trying to reinvent itself, but still wrestling with crime patterns that keep it in the headlines. 3. Hartlepool, County Durham. Hartlepool's crime rate is consistently high for a town of its size. Violence, sexual offenses, and theft are key contributors, with the town appearing regularly in high crime rankings based on ONS CSP data. Despite these challenges, Hartlepool is not without charm. The historic headland, the marina, and the quirky football culture offer plenty to smile about. Locals often emphasize the strong sense of community and resilience in the face of negative press. It's a town of striking contrasts: postcard views of the coast alongside streets where residents know to keep an eye on their surroundings. 2. Blackpool, Lancashire. Blackpool is perhaps the most famous seaside town in the UK, but it's also one of the most crime-affected. According to Lancashire County Council, Blackpool recorded about 158 crimes per 1,000 residents in 2023/24, highest in Lancashire, giving it the 6th highest community safety partnership rate in England and Wales. The issues are wide-ranging: violent crime, drug offenses, theft, and public order incidents. Much stems from its nightlife, tourism, and pockets of deep deprivation. Yet Blackpool's cultural heartbeat refuses to fade. From the annual illuminations to the pleasure beach, it remains a symbol of British seaside fun, proving that even towns with tough reputations can sparkle. 1. Middlesbrough, North Yorkshire. Topping the list of 10 dangerous towns in England, Middlesbrough has one of the highest crime rates in the country outside London, as recorded in multiple ONS/CSP releases. Violent crime, antisocial behaviour, and property offences are all well above the national average. Once a steel and chemical industry powerhouse, Middlesbrough's economic struggles have left lasting social impacts. Yet it's also a town of ambition, with Teesside University, cultural venues like MIMA, and a football culture that unites locals. It's a place where the challenges are real, but so is the determination to rise above them. These 10 dangerous towns in England remind us that behind every statistic is a living, breathing community. High crime rates and rough reputations don't erase history, culture, or the will to improve. From seaside resorts to industrial heartlands, each has its struggles, but also its strengths and the potential to write a new chapter. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.